Okay, guys, we are trying to find our next theory test hero, and today we have
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Is that your real name?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Why are your friends
Since
laughing?
97.
Okay.
Since 97,
No,
I've been Tuesday.
That's a beautiful name. It's only
Thank
because they
you.
laugh. That's why.
Because I get it all the time.
Oh, okay.
I get it all the
Nice
time.
to meet you, Tuesday.
Thank you.
Which diagram shows a hazard warning line?
Top one. Oh
Top
wait.
one.
Oh wait. Oh.
Which one do you reckon?
D.
D. Yeah. We got the final answer?
No. A.
A.
I'm going A.
Yes.
I doubted myself.
You did, but that was your first choice. Remember, you're like,
Yeah, I second
yeah.
guessed.
Well done.
Second
Well done. What does the white line along the side of the road indicate?
C.
C. Yeah.
C.
No parking.
Yeah.
Unlucky Tuesday, unlucky. What colour is no parking as well? What colour is it? Yellow. See, this is white, so it's not going to be no parking. This is the edge of the carriageway, yeah? Good try though, good try. What information would be shown in a triangular road sign?
Oh! I've really set myself up here. B.
B.
It's going to be wrong.
Lucky. It's actually A.
Can you believe I
Okay.
drive?
Why should you make sure that your indicators are cancelled after turning at a junction?
B.
To avoid misleading other road users?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a
Yeah,
given.
we got one.
That's a
We got one.
given.
We're
Yeah.
on the right track.
We
We're on the
did
right
it.
track. What does this sign mean?
Let me. If you could see the sign. No parking.
She's getting help, guys. I don't know if this is allowed or not, but she's getting help.
B.
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 What do you reckon? She's helping her.
B.
No, you can park. You can park.
You can't.
I think you can.
Yeah.
It was her thing. B.
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 And you are correct. So she helped her. Nearly sabotaged the guy. But let's see the final score. 3 out of 5. Tuesday, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well done for trying. Whose birthday is it?
Charlie.
Happy birthday to Charlie, their birthday girl. Woo, woo, woo. Thank you, girls.